It's probably been more than 5 years, I would say, that I gave any attention to this rocket stove, other than using it. But as far as maintenance goes, uh, just sort of been collecting dust and lots of sawdust too, and ashes. So lots of good YouTube videos on how to build these. In this video, we're going to take it apart and we're going to change out the screen here and do a little cleanup, and then we'll fire it up because it's fun. Here we go. Alright, so the screen is located here. It separates the air chamber from where you put your wood for burning, and this one has got a hole in it in the back. Like I said, it has to be more than 5 years since I even looked at it. But we're going to take the rocket stove apart, and I'll show you how to change. Dirty it is. Be a lot of cleanup. And this is the screen. This is completely burnt through. Let's redo this. This one still looks good. Maybe I'll use it as soon as I clean out these ashes. Alright, we're all clean. Let's get it back together now. So, it goes like this. It's offset. Don't laugh. I just have these little scrap bricks. Okay, this is going to be the air chamber. Overlap that. Okay. And now we'll stagger the bricks and the opposite pattern. So this one goes here. This one goes here. Thusly. And the other half, actually, let's put this half here. That way there's not two halves on top of each other. Okay, build up from there. to fire it up. I got some little bits. Bigger ones go down here. It's best just to stuff everything. There we go. Alright, a little tiny sliver of fat wood. Doesn't take much. There we go. Rocket stove works. Let's cook some biddles.